Hey friends, today I would like to make groups of objects that you have at home. Here you can see that Miss Ingram has beads and rocks. You might have beads at home. You can also go outside and find some rocks. Maybe you could use a group of cereal, a group of Q-tips, goldfish, your army guys, your dolls. You go outside and get some leaves, some flowers. I want us to practice making groups. And we're going to use the 10 frame today. And Miss Ingram is going to be asking you, how many? How many? So I want you to really use your noggins and help me today. We're going to make groups. The first thing that I want to do is I want to use my beads, and I want to use that 10 frame that I have down here, and I want to make a group of 5. A group of 5. Can you show me 5 on your hands? 5. Very good. Let's look how Miss Ingram is going to use this 10 frame to show a group of 5. Now, what if you don't have a 10 frame at home? What could you do? You could draw one. Maybe you have chalk. You know Miss Ingram loves to use chalk. Could you draw a 10 frame outside? Yes. Hey, you could even use, if those Legos that we used for number bonds, you could build a 10 frame out of Legos. You could build a 10 frame out of popsicle sticks or Q-tips. You can make a 10 frame in many different ways. So how many did Miss Ingram want in her group? 5. Okay, so Miss Ingram is going to take a bead at a time and put it on my 10 frame. I want you to count with me and tell me when I need to stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, are you telling me to stop? Oh, okay. We made it to 5, so I don't need this one? Okay, thank you. You're being good listeners and you're helping me. So let's look at our 10 frame here. Let's check out this 10 frame. Look at how many we filled. Let's count them again just to make sure, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half of my 10 frame is filled up. How many did I show on my 10 frame? 5. Whenever you make your groups, I also want you to write how many was in your group. So here we did a group of 5 beads. All right, let's try another one. Let's see. Miss Ingram's going to move her beads off of here. And now I have rocks up at the top. Now, rocks are easy to use and should be pretty easy for you to find outside. So I have a bunch of rocks up here, and I want to show a bigger number. I want to show 12. Let's count to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. So we're going to use this 10 frame again because the 10 frame helps us show a group of 10. And is 12 greater than 10 or less than 10? Greater. 12 is greater than 10. So let's see what happens when we make this group. We're going to count as Miss Ingram pulls a rock down and puts it on her 10 frame. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many rocks did we have left over? 1. We had 1 rock left over up here. We didn't need to use it, and that's okay. So now let's look at our 10 frame here. What is going on with that 10 frame? Oh my gosh, Miss Ingram, it is filled up. So how many rocks are in the 10 frame? 10. Now, I filled that 10 frame up, and how many more did we have? 2. So the number 12 is a group of 10 and 2. Wow. This deserves a lip scream. Let's do a lip scream. So we're doing 12, and I also need to write the number 12. So you're telling me that number 12 is one group of 10. Yes, one group of 10. And how many more? 2. So here is my 2. Is that how we write 12? Yes, 12. One group of 10 and 2 more. So I want you to make groups today, and I want you to try and put them on a 10 frame. Remember, I said there's many different ways that you can make a 10 frame at home, okay? And I want you, when you're building these numbers, I want you to make sure that you write the number down and tell your parent how many 10s and how many more. Maybe you don't fill up a 10 frame. What if you fill up 2 10 frames? 2 groups of 10 is how many? Let's count, and you give me 10 as we go. 10, 20. 2 groups of 10 makes 20. Wow, this is awesome. So I want you to make your groups today at home, okay? Have a great day.